It's pizza night, and on today's pizza menu is a white cheese pizza. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am making it low carb and I am making it good so that you can enjoy it regardless of whether you are following a low carb diet or not. On today's menu is a white cheese pizza, and what makes it low carb are the shells that you decide to use, and also whether or not you use a pre-shredded cheese or a block cheese. Pre-shredded cheese, I have a hard time saying that, you guys, today, but a pre-shredded cheese will definitely have more carbs in it because of preservative that they put in it to keep it from clumping. So I have a tendency to buy the block shredded myself, and that's exactly what I am doing today, you guys. If that is not a concern of yours, then do the pre-shredded, because it is, after all, more convenient. So you guys, everything that you need to put this white cheese pizza together is on the screen. So gather everything up, come in close, and we are going to cook coming up next. Okay, everyone, so you can't have pizza without the crust. So my crust today is this hard-working tortilla shell. This one is just a regular shell for my husband. This one is low carb. What I've done already is I took these both to the skillet where I put a little bit of avocado oil in there, and as you can see, I browned them on both sides. So they are nice and firm. All right, so that's been done. Let's set this aside, okay, and let's get into one of the white cheeses that we're going to be using today, and that being a cottage cheese mixture. Now this cottage cheese has already been blended, as you can see, to remove all the curds. Go ahead and add some of this to our mixing bowl, and I'm using approximately 2 tablespoons per shell. And one of the things, you guys, that I will tell you about this particular recipe is that you really don't have to measure anything. It's generally to taste. And that's exactly what I encourage you to do. I am going to leave on the screen what I am using that works for my liking, but please do taste this as you go along to make a determination, okay, what works for you. All right, so to this mixture, we are going to add some garlic. And again, this is totally optional, but I like the taste of the garlic. And the last thing that we're going to add to this cottage cheese is some Italian seasoning. I start with approximately 1/8 of a teaspoon, taste it, and if it needs more, then I add more. Okay? And we're going to bring back our shells, you guys. And at this point, it is time to assemble. Take some of our cottage cheese mixture, spread it across the shell. Do exactly the same for this one. Up next are our cheeses. My next white cheese is a mozzarella cheese. And some white cheddar cheese. And we're going to do exactly the same thing with the low carb version. And the last thing that we're going to do before these go into our air fryer is put a little bit of olive oil. Each one. All right, guys, now off to the air fryer these go. Okay, this is warm. I'm going to put my liner in. And the first pizza. Okay, you guys, in about 3 minutes, we are going to have a hot, fresh, white cheese pizza. All right, you guys, take a look at that. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so I am going to take this out and put the second one in, and then it will be time to eat. All right, everyone, it is time to give this deliciousness a taste. Lord, I thank you. This is amazing, you guys. You have got to give this a try. You have got the blend of 3 different white cheeses. You have the smooth and creamy cottage cheese that has been perfectly seasoned with Italian seasoning and a little minced garlic. So good, you guys. And then I decided to do a mozzarella. And then the third white cheese is a white cheddar cheese. This is absolutely amazing. I encourage you to get the ingredients and make some. When you do, let me know in the comments that you did, you guys. And another thing that I like about this particular recipe is that it's quick, it's easy, it's virtually no cleanup, and you can make it for a quick lunch. You can make it for dinner any day of the week, you guys. That's how versatile and phenomenal this particular recipe is. So again, give it a try and let me know what you did. And also, please do me the honor of giving this video a like and a share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button below where you will find more low-carb recipes such as this that you can enjoy whether you are following a low-carb diet or not. You guys, remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon. And enjoy.